Healthy Together Wyndham's done a great job in supporting the community. Wyndham's home to over 200,000 people. By the year 2050, I think it is, we're expecting it to be about 350,000 people, so we've got some significant growth occurring here at Wyndham. But like many other communities around the world, we are experiencing the same high levels of heart disease, obesity, overweightness affecting our community. And it's really important that we look at doing some things that we can do to try and reduce those levels of illness. It causes a huge cost to our medical system, but also it makes for a healthier, happier community if we've got fitter, healthier people. We know that there's about 59% of men and about 48% of women are currently in the overweight category in Wyndham alone, and we know that adults in particular don't eat anywhere near enough vegetables. And we know children in our city are also experiencing overweight and inactivity. And how do we encourage people to be healthier, fitter and therefore happier? The Healthy Together program has been rolled out across the state of Victoria, and originally it was funded by both the federal government and the state government. And Wyndham Council has been one of the councils across the state that's been fortunate to receive that funding to enable it to roll out a whole range of programs and activities, but it's much more than that. Certainly when we're designing new suburbs, we look at the walkability. It's about making our footpaths much more pleasant places to walk on. It's about greening our cities to make sure that it's a much nicer and a cooler place to be.
Bellbridge decided to be part of the Active Travel program after I attended a professional learning session at the end of last year where council spoke about the program. It sounded like a fabulous opportunity for our school. We found that there were quite a number of students coming by car to school, and that there were also a number of safety concerns, the area around our school during peak pick-up and drop-off times. And from all that information, the program was just ideal. To improve our school, we've had active path markers installed where we've got 3 paths outside of our school grounds. We have Wheel and Walk Wednesdays.
In this day and age, we thought we'd just get in a bit more exercise that we can squeeze in during a busy day.
Teaching the children road sense. It also gives the children a little bit independence.
Well, I like walking to school because you can meet friends on the way and it keeps you healthy.
And also parking can be a problem some days, so it was easy just to walk in and pick them up and keep going.
We started collecting data in February where our active travel rate was 28% of students travelling actively to school. After implementing the range of initiatives we've now done, we're at an average of 50% and more. So the support we've received from Council this year as part of Active Travel has been enormous, and the feedback we received from staff and parents was enormously positive.
Encouraging children to ride bikes, walk, finding an alternative way to get to school. I guess make the community a healthier, happier place to be.
So Wyndham Park was involved first and foremost because we saw that it supported the health of students, staff, community. We knew that the program would help us address a number of curriculum outcomes that we were working towards as a school. And we also saw that it had a way for us to systematically work through a lot of policies and procedures, and so it was good from many different levels. We've established our community canteen, which is a very big, important part of the work we've done at the school. Our school canteen has only healthy foods. Some of the food that is in that is grown up by the school's community garden that we have. Yeah, so Wyndham Council's been very helpful for us in establishing the program and then working through the programs. We've established a wellbeing committee, and that committee has a member from council on it who comes along to help us ensure that we're ticking all the boxes, if you like. The achievement program allows you to check for evidence, to make sure that what you've done does fit within a sensible and quite healthy program. Very effective program for helping you do the work.
Silver Chef decided to sign up for the Healthy Achievement program because we felt that it aligned with our core values and the ethos of our company. We look after our people, and one of our core values is wellbeing, and that aligned really well with what we currently do at the company. There's been a definite shift on staff attitude. We record this from the happiness survey that we do quarterly. People feel immense pride working for Silver Chef and feel valued by the company. We've seen some real benefits here at Silver Chef. Healthy people equals healthy business.
It's really important that we continue to do the work as much as we can, and that's why the systems approach, as it's called, is really important, because the programs that we run are reliant on people, whereas if we can get the systems changed, then we're ingraining those cultural changes, I guess, into everyday life. The idea of prevention is really, really important to these programs. We have to prevent people becoming obese, have to prevent people becoming sick and unhealthy. And we'll be looking at things like how do we reduce the negative impacts of alcohol. So Council will be developing a food policy.
Healthy Together Wyndham have done a lot of work on encouraging healthy eating locally. We have developed a healthy catering guide which showcases 8 local caterers who now offer healthier food and drink options for workplaces. We have also supported Council to hold healthier events like the Children's Week picnic, which was a sugary-free drink event. We have supported the development of community kitchens. We are also going to explore the opportunities for a food hub in Wyndham City. We have also worked closely with local sporting clubs and recreation centres to increase and promote healthier options at their cafes, canteens and kiosks.
Our Palace has decided to offer healthy options in its kiosk and across its facilities to offer people a natural and healthy lifestyle, so it's in line with the pool and the gym facilities across our centres. Some popular items on our menu at the moment would have to be our fresh daily made fruit salad, our fresh daily made garden salad, we have sushi brought in and our healthy option of sandwiches.
Healthy choices need to be easy, and this is where Wyndham is succeeding so far. We've reached over 75,000 members of our community, and out of the workplaces in Wyndham, 41 of those have already enrolled. We have 65% of our schools and 59% of our kindergartens and childcare centres. Over the last 3 years, Healthy Together Wyndham has done a fantastic job in working with communities to achieve much greater health outcomes, and we're going to continue that good work to make Wyndham a better place to live, learn, work and play.